Hello and welcome to the video. It is time for a final on my small scale group build, which is hosted by these two fine gentlemen, Shawn over at the Scale Model Car Guy channel and Bryan over at BG's Model Workshop. Again, thank you guys for hosting this, putting it on, kind of opening up my eyes and my repertoire to these smaller scales that I may not have, and finding these old school Revell kits I find absolutely fantastic. I don't know if that's just because of their very fine detail, excellently done kits, or just because everybody else hates them and I choose to love them. Anyways, I'm having fun with them and look forward to doing more. So again, thank you guys for putting on this group build. We finished up the kit late last night before bed. Decided just to go to bed. We'll make the video today, and here we are. So let's get into it. Move these guys' cards out of the way. And there it is, the Revell Continental Mark II is the kit that we did. Again, having a lot of fun with these old school Revell kits, these multi-piece bodies that everybody hates, but there is such fantastic detail inside of these kits. Very well done for the time. A little bit of patience, and I think you can do some really well kits. This one turned out pretty well. A little hiccups at the end, but again, still happy that I built it. So let's take a look at the build. Get this out of the way. And here it is. We did do it like the cover with the black and the red. Pull this guy up. Since it is small, we can get it a little closer to the camera. I think it turned out really well. Just a great looking car. Happy that I did it in the black. A couple of the hiccups I had. Got the bright idea to try something new on the paint. Doing some chrome parts. Everybody knows kind of the all-clad gloss black. It's a really nice looking black when you spray it out. Lays out flat, high gloss, really dark color. So I thought, hey, why not let's do the whole car in that. We don't have to worry about clear coats or anything like that. Well, I did that. And 3 days later, after kind of cooking for 80 to 90 degrees, it was still causing me some problems, still kind of tacky, and had to do something about it. So we ended up putting a clear coat on top of it. So it kind of went against what I wanted to do. Wish I would have just done a base coat and clear coat, since we are going to go with the clear coat anyways. But it is what it is. Here we are now. Again, some small issues with the paint, but overall I think the kit turned out really well. Again, we got the red interior. I'll just get this spinning and go around it. Again, I think it turned out really well. Chrome looks absolutely great. That is the display chrome. I'm a really big fan of that. It's got a great high shine, easy to apply. I just put on like one light coat and then come right back over it with a nice heavy wet coat that kind of flows out, and call it done from there, and comes out with a really nice shine. The wheels are just the kit chrome, a little black wash, and then we clear coated it with some very lightly tinted clear, just kind of toned down that kit chrome. Same with like the headlights and the taillights. Again, the bumpers are the display chrome, wheels are kit chrome. The emblems, there you see on the back, that is a separate emblem that goes on there. Same with the hood ornament, those are done with the all-clad chromes. Those turned out really well. Again, just absolutely fine detail in these 1/32 scale kits. Got a little Tester's red on the tail lights. The wheels, of course, are plastic wheels. We just did the, I think it's Mr. Hobby black primer, and then come back over it with a template, sprayed on some craft white paint through the airbrush for the white walls, same as we did on the Cadillac. Turned out well for that, so I changed that anyways. So again, the interior we did with a Tester spray flat red. Glossed up some of the vinyl or leather areas with a coat or two of clear red from Tamiya through the airbrush. That all turned out really nice there, so let's get into it. Then we did bare metal foil, obviously around like the roof and window areas. There is no clear in these kits for the windows, that's the way they are. It's a little complex to try to cut a glass for it, but still enjoy building it just the way it was kind of designed and kind of intended to be built originally. I'll give you some slower looks there at the grill. I suppose I could try black washing it, but that chrome looks so good there on the front. It does have a little emblem that we hit with a little Molotov to enhance that. Same with the door handles, trunk lock, or the door locks. There's a little Molotov placed on there. Same with the font is just, if we can get that to focus. Tried doing my best to highlight those molded in emblems, and that big emblem there is a separate piece, the chrome and glue on. So again, that all turned out really well. Got a little black wash for the exhaust. Of course, again, the testers for the taillight red. Tip it up. I got some pictures of the interior before I put the roof on, but that turned out really nice. We can get her to focus in there. But again, I'll show you some pictures. We do have some funky spots. Of course, I got just a little bit of a glue booger there that I can probably polish up later. I didn't notice this until I was dusting it off. Hey, you can see me in the black. Apparently, the clear coat and color peeled off of that fender right there. I was trying to polish it out, and it wasn't polishing up, and realized that some of the paint had pulled off some time along the way. No idea when or where or how that could have pulled off. And we have the Continental lettering across the hood. And then that hood ornament, again, is a separate piece that we chromed up and added on. The bottom I just left. It is just kind of a matte black, that primer black. Not too interested in trying to hand paint all that. Under the hood, again, very well detailed kits with that nice Continental engine. You want to do this one again, maybe in a lighter color. As you can see, pretty much everything is black under the hood here, so not a lot of it stands out, but I think it turned out really nice. Really just always impressed with how detailed these kits are for being small scale and built back in 1956. They're tooled up in 56. So I don't know if there's much else to show you. Again, we'll pop in some photos and we'll call it a day. But again, really happy with the way it turned out. A couple of paint issues at the end, but again, nothing you can do about it other than strip it all and start over. But it was good enough. Call it a day. Since I do plan on doing more of these, I'm not too worried about it. Again, very happy with it. Happy with I did go black and the red, because it just should be at least one in your collection in black. Maybe we'll do a lighter color next time to highlight some more stuff. Again, overall, I think it's just a fantastic little model kit that everybody loves to hate, but I think they're truly very beautiful kits inside and out. With that, again, thanks to Shawn and BG for putting this on, opening my eyes up to these wonderful kits. And with that, we'll see you guys next time.